afternoon, everyone. Today we'll be present the human elements in supply chain innovation, focusing on how Google Cloud, blockchain integration, and the halal ecosystem intersect. Our approach is socio-technical, which is meaning we don't just look at the technology, but also the human system behind it. The key idea we are putting forward is simple. Technology enables innovation, but human determines whether it actually works. With the core problem, supply chains today are highly fragmented. Data exists across disconnected systems, retail, manufacturing, logistics, and external sources like a weather. This creates a future network where issues like stockouts, aging inventories, and unmonitored disruptions spread quickly across the system. The impact is significant. In 2020, the retail industry lost around 1.14 trillion rupees to out-of-stock system. So, the issue is not lack of data but lack of integration. Most systems are still reactive instead of predictive. To solve this, we look at the digital twin approach using Google Cloud. Here, multiple data streams are integrated into one system. Internal enterprise system like ERP, external partner network such as supplier and logistics, public data like weather and risk indicator. This creates a complete virtual model of the supply chain. From this, organization gain real-time visibility through dashboard, faster response through alert-driven system, better decision using AI-driven optimization. So, instead of reacting to disruption, they can predict and manage them earlier. But technology alone is not enough. At the center is the digital twin, but what surrounds is the human element of execution. There are four key factors. Change management is for ensuring smooth adoption. Leadership and culture for aligning mindset with innovation. Governance and ethnic, it will be maintained human oversight. Capability and inclusion is for upskilling and accessibility. The main point here is while Google Cloud provides visibility, it's the organization itself that determines whether the system delivers results. Without the right human system, though, even advanced technology will be underperformed.
First, at point A, traditional organization face challenges due to cellular and incomplete data. This limits visibility and makes it hard to respond effectively. Next, at point B, transition. Leadership start to play a bigger role by acting as trusted partner. They coordinate across operations to solve critical business problems. Finally, at C, future state. Organizations become proactive. They use real-time data and AI to make faster decisions and reduce reliance on crisis management. AI-driven optimization means algorithm can quickly suggest solution and simulate different scenario, especially during supply chain disruption. On the right, human in the loop review ensure that humans still check important decisions. This prevents over-reliance on fully automated system. At the center, the scale represent balance. Organization need both fast AI and carefully human judgment. Finally, data security and transparency are the foundation ensuring trust, privacy, and ethical decision making. The collaborative core focus on breaking down silos within the organization. Teams work together and use shared tools to solve problems in real time. Second, the innovation-driven foundation encouraged companies to move away from outdated systems and adopt modern technologies to stay competitive. Third, the open ecosystem means working with external partners, such as system integrator and data provider, to gain better insight and improve performance. Continuous capability, data literacy. Through our supply chain pulse module, we empowering every employee to interpret complex dashboard. Continuous learning. We shifting our business skill to managing AI simulate forecasting ensure our team stay ahead to the curve. Global global inclusion. By operating in over 200 countries, we bringing diverse perspective into our ecosystem. Most important, we lowering barrier. We replace complex data queries with simple interface, making it easier for talent from all background to enter and succeed in logistics.
This slide is focused on reducing resistance during digital transformation. Through the time value shift, digital twin enable workflow to be generated in as little as 8 minutes. By visualizing the supply chain, employees can clearly see the tangible benefit before full implementation, which helps to reduce the resistance. In addition, alert-driven system only notify the teams when action is needed, preventing the information overload and improving focuses. Next, for these slides, compare the traditional operation with the digital twin workflow. Traditional systems are often siloed and manual and reactive. In contrast, digital twins provide integrated real-time data, enabling the faster and more accurate decision making. So the workflows shift from reactive problem solving to proactive, alert the driven management, improving efficiency and collaboration overall. For this slide, present a real-world application in the halal ecosystem. Data on certification and material is collected directly from the supplier. So the blockchain ensures this data is secure, transparent, and immutable. This digital twin integrated this with ERP system and external data for full visibility. This allows teams to monitor and maintain the halal integrity in the real time. So, in conclusion, successful digital transformation require both technology and people. Digital twin enable the fast integrated data and analysis. However, true impact depends on human factor, such as leadership, collaboration, and effective use of the system. Technology is the enabler, but human capital is the engine that drives real transformation. That's all.